Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can you cancel appointments on Setmore? I'm glad you asked because this is a common question and I want to make sure everyone knows the answer. So, the short answer is yes, you can cancel appointments on Setmore. However, the process is a little different depending on whether you're a client or a service provider. If you're a client, you can cancel your appointment by going to your booking confirmation email or by logging into your Setmore account. Once you're in your account, you can find your appointment and click on the Cancel button. If you're a service provider, you can cancel an appointment by going to your calendar and clicking on the appointment you want to cancel. Then, click on the Cancel button. It's important to note that there may be some fees associated with canceling an appointment, depending on your Setmore plan. So, be sure to check your plan before canceling an appointment. In addition to canceling appointments, you can also reschedule appointments on Setmore. This is a great option if you need to change the date or time of your appointment. To reschedule an appointment, you can follow the same steps as canceling an appointment. However, instead of clicking on the Cancel button, you should click on the Reschedule button. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions about Setmore, please feel free to leave a comment below. And now, let's get into the main part of this video: how to cancel an appointment on Setmore. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. Canceling an appointment from your booking confirmation email. Canceling an appointment from your Setmore account. How to cancel an appointment from your booking confirmation email. Open the booking confirmation email that you received when you made your appointment. Click on the Cancel button. You will be asked to confirm that you want to cancel the appointment. Click on Yes. Your appointment will be canceled. How to cancel an appointment from your Setmore account. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Calendar tab. Find the appointment you want to cancel. Click on the Cancel button. You will be asked to confirm that you want to cancel the appointment. Click on Yes. Your appointment will be canceled. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps. In addition to canceling appointments, you can also reschedule appointments on Setmore. To reschedule an appointment, you can follow the same steps as canceling an appointment. However, instead of clicking on the Cancel button, you should click on the Reschedule button.